Have you guys been naughty or nice this year? Because Christmas just came early. Alright, so Christmas did come early today because my hoodie, this Bourdain Cook Free or Die hoodie that I've been waiting for a while now, finally came in. And then the next thing we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this guy right here. This is the limited edition set of Cangshan Thomas Keller knives. Alright, so before we get started, I want to give you guys a quick update on merch. For those of you guys that are interested, I have finalized a couple of designs. I have found the company that I want to do the merch with. They're sending me a sample of one of the hoodies so I can, get a feel for it and things like that just to check for quality before I post it. But once it is available, I will let you guys know for sure. So sometime next week, I will have all the merch information available for you guys. And I also want to take this time to say a big thank you to all of you guys. I've reached 2,300 subscribers finally, and I really, really appreciate all of your support. It means the world to me, and without you guys, there will be no Between Two Forks reviewing knives and things like that. So just a really, really big thank you. Alright, just a quick disclaimer, Cangshan Cutlery did send me this set of knives completely free of charge. They sent this set of knives to me a couple weeks ago as an early Christmas gift, so thank you, Henry, thank you, Scarlett, and thank you to the rest of the Cangshan Cutlery team. This is an amazing gift. Thank you so much. So, like I said, I've had this set of knives for about 3 weeks now, and I just haven't had a chance to film it. And they didn't ask me to do an unbox video or anything like that. They just actually sent it to me and surprised me with this set of knives. And I just wanted to, share my excitement with you guys and unbox this and show this set of knives off, because this set of knives is beautiful. Let's go ahead and unbox this. As always, Cangshan Cutlery has very, very nice packaging on all of their knives. So it looks like here's a set of knives and the box, the display box. Just gonna get rid of this real quick. Alright, so this is the walnut box that it comes with. This is just kind of like a storage case for this limited edition set of knives. It says 86 out of 170. If I remember correctly, on the website it says there are a total of only 500 sets of these blue handle knives available. As you can see, it's felt lined. Has a small brochure in here, and then it is foam and felt lined to keep all your knives in. Alright, now that I got the entire set of knives all boxed, put in this box, let's go ahead and go through the 6-piece set. The 6-piece set comes with a 10-inch slicer, which is one of Thomas Keller's favorite knives to use. He actually prefers a slicer from what I read in comparison to a chef knife. It comes with a serrated bread knife, a 10-inch chef knife, an 8-inch chef knife, a 7-inch fine edge utility knife, and the little baby, the paring knife. So this set of knives is exactly the same as the original Thomas Keller, or the Cangshan Thomas Keller line of knives. It's made with RWL 34 stainless powdered steel. It's 61 plus or minus Rockwell hardness, and it's got fantastic edge retention. I still need to do a follow-up video of the 8-inch Thomas Keller knife. I bet you guys would like to see that. I know a couple of you guys have asked me to do a follow-up video, so ask and you shall receive, right? So I will definitely do a follow-up video on that. So what makes this set of knives limited edition is actually this blue handle that you have right here. This blue handle is in representation of the blue front door of the French Laundry. So if you don't know, the story behind the blue door is actually pretty cool. So the story behind the blue door is Sally Schmidt, the original owner of the French Laundry, had a blue range hood above her stove. And at the time, no one had a blue range hood. Oh, well, I can't say no one. Very little people had blue range hoods over their stove. Most of them were stainless steel. And when Thomas Keller decided to take over the French Laundry and brought French Laundry, he renovated the entire place. The entire kitchen, Sally's kitchen, was completely renovated and all gone. And he thought, what better way to commemorate and to pay homage to Sally than to paint the front door of the French Laundry this blue color in representation of the blue range hood that was over Sally's stove inside Sally's kitchen. So that is why they decided to paint the front door of the French Laundry this blue color, is to pay homage to Sally Schmidt. And I gotta say, I am in love with this blue handle. It is such a pretty color, and it really makes it stand out from the rest of the competition, because most competition, you know, you have like this regular black handles or white handles or whatnot. Even white handles are pretty rare, but most of them are just black handles. And this blue handle, being a limited edition set, is so freaking pretty. Alright, so this wraps up the unbox of this Cangshan Thomas Keller limited edition, the French Laundry Blue handle 6-piece set. And if you guys want more information on this set of knives and where you can get them, I will link it down below in the descriptions. And if you guys want to just know in general more about this set of knives and see them in action, you can see a lot of functionality videos where I exclusively use the Thomas Keller line in it. And I also have a more in-depth review of the 8-inch chef knife that you can see right here that I've done before, that goes into a lot more detail, and also you can see the knife in action and the cut test and things like that you can see. And if you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It'll mean the world to me. It'll help me support all this madness, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.